Doing?
I'm drinking.
What are you drinking? What are you drinking? What do you have to drink there?
I'm drinking.
What is it?
I'm drinking.
You're drinking? Is it good? Hmm? Is it good?
Say it.
Oh, you want me to try it? Okay, let me try it. Very good.
I know try it.
You try it, okay. It's good. What is that you have? What is it?
A top.
That's a top for what?
A top.
Where do you put it?
A pot top. A top.
You put a top. You put it on the bottle. No, don't put it in your mouth. No, baby. Put it. Bless you to Daddy. Yeah. Put that on the top. Put it on the bottle. There you go. Good job.